Hello everyone, let's dive into the Silicon Power US75 4TB NVMe SSD. This drive boasts some impressive specs, aiming to be a top contender for both PC enthusiasts and PlayStation 5 gamers looking for a storage boost. First off, the US75 utilizes the PCIe Gen 4x4 interface, promising blazing fast speeds. Silicon Power claims read speeds of up to 7,000 megabytes s and write speeds of up to 6,500 megabytes s. In the real world, these speeds translate to significantly reduced loading times in games and quicker file transfers, which is always a plus. The drive also supports NVMe 1.4, which brings several benefits, including improved performance, lower latency, and reduced power consumption. This is particularly important for laptops and the PS5, where power efficiency can impact battery life and overall system temperature. One of the standout features of the US75 is its massive 4 terabyte storage capacity. This provides ample space for large game libraries, high-resolution videos, and other storage-intensive applications. For PS5 users, this means you can finally install all your favorite titles without constantly juggling which games to keep installed. The drive's compatibility with the PlayStation 5 is a major selling point. It meets the console's requirements for storage expansion, allowing you to seamlessly increase your storage capacity without sacrificing performance. Installation is straightforward, and the PS5 recognizes the drive immediately. Silicon Power also provides a 5-year limited warranty, which is based on either the total bytes written, TBW, or the warranty period, whichever comes first. The US75 has a TBW of 2,400, which is a solid endurance rating, indicating the drive is built to last even with heavy usage. In terms of design, the US75 follows the standard M.2 2280 form factor, making it compatible with a wide range of laptops, desktops, and the PS5. It's a compact and lightweight drive that's easy to install. Overall, the Silicon Power US75 4TB NVMe SSD is a compelling option for anyone looking to upgrade their storage. Its fast speeds, large capacity, PS5 compatibility, and solid warranty make it a worthwhile investment. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or simply need more storage space, the US75 delivers on its promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.